Good day everybody. Today I am going to be showing you one way in which you can let your system run faster. Before I do that though, I am going to ask you to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Like the video, share the video, comment, and remember to watch the ads. In order to let your system run faster, you first need to click on the Windows button. Then you're going to search for settings. A quick way to do that is to type S, and it will bring up all the apps that begins with S, and then you can quickly click on settings. Then you're going to click on system and then scroll down to about and click on about. I am using Windows 10, and for me to get into the system I'll have to click on system info and then advanced system settings. Once you click on that, under performance you're going to click on settings and then click on the option that says adjust for best performance. Then you will click on apply. After you are through, you'll click on OK, then OK again. So that's one way in which you can make your system run faster. I will, however, ask you to proceed with caution, as persons who have done this have complained about the resolution being lower and the battery draining faster. So before you attempt this, bear all of those things in mind. Alright, thank you for watching. I do hope you have learned something and it was useful to you. Please, I'm going to ask you again to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Like the video, share the video, comment, and please remember to watch the ads. Bye guys.